How is everybody doing today? So we're going to do a room tour of a regular balcony on Anthem of the Seas. This is deck 8, room 604, so 8604. It is basically midship. And we'll see what we got. This is a regular room. This is not a studio or spacious. It's regular. So first glance, pretty nice. Let's close this for now. And then over here on your little desk, you have 2 regular outlets and 2 USB and then 1 international. That's all you got over here. You got your little trash can under here. You have your mirror, which, wait, well, it did turn on. There it goes. It lights up. So I guess that's exciting. Over here you have your mini fridge cooler thing in here. Pretty good size. It does a good job keeping things cold. Then you got your drawers of all sorts of goodies. You have your little desk area right here. You have a nice lamp, which I have just realized has a switch on it that's not turning on. All right. So you have your TV right over here. And then you have nice closet space right here. You can tell I'm clearly using it very well. And then you got these giant drawers. Again, I'm using it very well. And then you have another closet space right over here. I actually do have something in there. So I guess that's a bonus for me. This is part of your AC right up here. And then over here, you got your bed. You have a telephone over here and a little light right there. Up here, you actually have storage space. If you wanted to use it, you could put something up there. I am not using it at all. You're also going to put your bag under your suitcase like most staterooms. There's that. And you have 1 outlet on this side. There's no outlet on the other side. You have your thing if you wanted to black out curtains. You got that going on. Thinking what else? You got your balcony. We'll do that at the end, I guess. Because I did have an issue with the balcony that I needed to point out. So I guess we'll go to the bathroom. I don't know. So here is your restroom. Nice big shower. You do have a electric thing up there for a razor if you wanted to plug one up, like a shaver thing, I guess. Yeah, nice decent sized bathroom. No complaints. Does the job. Water pressure works great. It gets hot and cold. Great. And then we'll get to the balcony. So, let's see. So we're on the way to Victoria right now. It's very foggy, as you can see. Incredibly foggy, actually. A good-sized balcony, 2 chairs, a little tiny stool. So good-sized balcony. There is a light somewhere that I haven't figured out where it's at, but I don't know. Maybe it's behind here. I don't know. There's a light switch somewhere because other people had their lights on and I didn't, and I couldn't figure out how to turn it on. So there might be a light. I don't know. I don't really know. To close the balcony, you do have to push it in and do this. And if your balcony is open, the AC will not work. That's kind of what the sign says, but it's kind of hard to read it because of the lighting in here. However, though, I have experienced numerous issues with this room with that. Because I noticed when my balcony was closed the first night, the AC wasn't working. So you have to go over here and I don't know this room or this whole ship. Right here, it says occupied. So it means the door's closed the right way. Sometimes I guess there's a sensor in there that's messing up because it would be closed and it would say unoccupied. So I always make sure to check that anytime I open it and close it, make sure I check it. So it says occupied, so your AC works because your AC will not work if it says unoccupied. But yeah, it's a good sized room. The bed's pretty comfortable. Can't complain. Decent sized space. You have a nice mirror over here, by the way. Good sized couch. A full couch, which is always a bonus in my book. But yeah, that's pretty much your room. Regular balcony on the Anthem of the Seas. Room 8604, midship, and it is on starboard side. Yeah. Wait, no. I don't know. It's on the... Hold on, I'm thinking. It's on starboard side, because that's right. Yeah, this is the front, this way. So this is the front. Yeah, gotcha. Okay, well, thanks for watching. Any questions, comments, concerns, let me know, and I will see you guys next time.